I'm going to demonstrate how to use 3 of my favorite items: the garlic press, the garlic peeler, and the garlic slicer. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to start with the garlic press. It's pretty simple. It's got 2 pieces. You have the press part and you have your brush that comes with it. The brush is for scraping the garlic off after you press it through and for cleaning it out. I really like the fact that you don't have to peel our garlic with it. You just take a clove, set it in, and press. You take the end of the handle and you just scrape it off. Now when you open it, your peel comes right out. Sometimes you do get a little extra, that's why I just scrape it down. Show you one more time. Actually, let's pick a bigger clove. Put your clove in, scrape it off. Sometimes your peel gets stuck inside. You're gonna take the end, it has a little lip on it. Scrape it out. If anything gets stuck and left behind, that's when you would take the brush end, just line it up, press it through to release it, and then again, just scrape it all out. This is dishwasher safe. I personally prefer to wash it by hand because then I can make sure I get all the little pieces of garlic out, but you can put it on the top shelf of your dishwasher. Now for the garlic peeler and slicer. There's 3 parts to the slicer and all 3 of them are top shelf dishwasher safe. You have your plunger, you have your divider, which is where you're gonna be putting a piece of garlic on each side, and you have the base, which is where your blades are. If you do choose to wash this part by hand, just get a brush and get in there to clean that part out. Don't stick your fingers in there. And it all pops back together, nice and easy. And then the peeler is just a tube of silicone, and this is also top shelf dishwasher safe. So to use it, take a piece of garlic, set it inside, and then roll. And out it comes. And put one on one side. I always try to find 2 cloves that are kind of the same size. You're gonna set it on top, and then you twist. So if you like a lot of garlic flavor in your dishes, this is the way to go. You end up with thinly sliced pieces of garlic. You can also use this for chocolate or whole nut, even hard cheeses like Parmesan. If you've made a pasta dish for dinner using your sliced garlic, you can go ahead and throw in a couple pieces of hard Parmesan and slice it on top for the garnish. And then once you're done slicing your garlic, you just pop all pieces off and right on the top shelf of your dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Links and info are in the description. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.